Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. It's 7 something this morning. I'm gonna go and get a few groceries and see. I'll probably go to the neighborhood market, and I'm not trying to spend no more than $50. Okay fam, I done made it to the neighborhood, so I'll see you when I get in there. Okay, this small buggy. You know, I got some onions. They got their pumpkins. How much they is? Y'all see that? $4.58. Grapes. They feel good though. $1.98 a pound. Let's leave these back in this bag. It's $5. Got the strawberries for $3.12. Y'all see that price? It's hard to even buy vegetables or anything with these darn prices. Okay, they getting better on their lettuce. They little bad lettuce. That looks good. September the 24th. You might end up eating some salads today. It's $4.98. I remember them darn prices. That stuff should be like 69 cents for that bag. Alright, let me see. Can I find me some tomatoes? What is that? 3-pack tomatoes for $1.98. You know, 3 packs. Look at that. Look at that bug flying around in that tomato. Oh, it got mold on it. That's why I say check your product. Check your product. Okay. Got my sweet for these down here, the 3-pack. Make sure I check them. They cold, so they must have just got them out the refrigerator, out the cooler. That's $1.98. How big this darn grapefruit is? Oh my God, y'all see the size of this thing? Why is it so big? Jesus. Look how big these darn grapefruit is. Look like a darn bowling ball. These grapefruit ain't got no business being that darn big. Oh my gosh. $10 for a bag of oranges. Really? $9.97. $10. And that little bitty bag right there is $6. Fam, what is that? What is that? Oh my gosh. It looks like porcupine. What is that? I got these little bitty watermelons for $3.87. This one down here ain't no bigger, but they want $5 for that. Okay, they got their plantains, 69 cents a piece. God, these plantains is huge. Oh, okay, let's move on. Oh, this corn look a hot mess. 42 cents each for this corn here. Get me a Minute Maid. What's the date on that? November. That's $1.76. Let's see what kind of sandwich we eat. But we're gonna be eating sandwich, chicken, whatever is the cheapest. Oven roast turkey, breast, rotisserie chicken. Look how small that darn pack is. Black Forest ham. The big one is like $5.32. And the small one is $4.46. That honey ham is $3.96. Stainless slice. What's the expiration date on here? November 2020. $1.23. I guess I get that. Okay, let me see what else we can get. Plus, I gotta get my flavored water. They got some. They had some for 83 cents. Dog, I missed that sale. How much that orange is? I ain't got my glasses on. Let's see. That orange crush. I guess I'll get one of these. That's July 20, 25. Okay. That's what I need to get. I think we're gonna eat some sandwiches today. Ah, look at that. They got the little cups of noodles with the little Halloween on them. How much this is? $2.58 for 6. Okay. Let me get some spaghetti sauce. It's gonna have to be their brand, I see, because theirs $1.62 compared to $2.17 and $2.38. Look how nasty that shit is. Y'all see that? Lordy. Get this traditional back here. Is that expiration date on now? 2025. Okay. I got rice, so I don't need that. I don't need no rice. That yellow rice is really good. That's some good rice. I look at that price on it. I ain't never seen this. Coconut ginger rice. Why is that good? Comment down below. Have y'all tried this? It's $1.88. Alright. Look at that little butter here. Margarine. That's what it is. It's $1.43. What's the expiration date on here? March 1, 2024. Let's see. Do I want some biscuits? Let's see here. I don't want no biscuits. Okay, the eggs is $1.13. What's the expiration date on here? Let me check the eggs. Okay, the eggs look good. $1.13. And they done bacon up. The bacon used to be $3. Okay. Won't be buying no bacon from here. I'm gonna get some Tennessee Pride. What's the expiration date at? Okay. 10/9/23. That's for $3.92. And again, I'm not saying I can get this 8-pack right here for $2.87. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Okay, change your plans again. I just seen they brand. I got maple right there, $2.97. I get the original. I got these. See how much that ground beef is. I'm sorry. She can eat something. go to South Carolina's meat. What the world? Chicken calls. Ain't that something? What's this for? Drumettes. Could be the darn drumhead. What kind of mad portion is this? Could be the lady. They got the 5-pound, $5.97. But it's bad. I don't like legs like that. They have too much chemicals in them. $15 for this darn pack of meat? Really? That's crazy. $7.33. Legs, wings, and thighs. Okay, it look like we're going to stop on this meat. Because this right here ain't gonna work. You want to get 4 in here for almost $7. Look at these nipples. No. Okay. Let me see what my damage is. I'm gonna have to go to South Carolina meat. Get my $12.98. That's pretty good. Hey, I don't like big wings. Flats and drumettes. That's $12. Okay, they're pretty small. Alright, I'll get these. I got vegetables at home. So, what's this over here? The Cornish hen 2-pack, $10.54. That's some good turkey right there. I got somebody to put that right there. That one right there. They done went up to $10 though. I'm thinking, man. I'm thinking. I know at Aldi's, I think at Aldi's they had went up on theirs too. Trying to think. Okay, I'm gonna get them. We're gonna be eating turkey burgers too this week. Okay. And that's gonna be $10.72. Alright, let me get some bread and we're gonna get up out of here. Cause y'all see what I got. Let's get some bread. Okay, they got the honey wheat for $3.27. Make its own. What's the expiration date on here? September 27. That's kind of hard. Let me reach back in this bag. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I need some knuckles, all these folks bread. What is this? Now this is soft. I'll get that one. I'm straighten these folks bread back up. Alright, this is what I got. I got just some grits, and that'll be it. No sweets, no sweets. Okay, these grits is $2.88 for that container, and a bag is $2.18. Jesus. Let me get me some grit. sure it ain't leak nowhere. What's the expiration date? April 2024. Okay, I got me some good. So this is everything that I got. And I switched from eating salads to we ain't no salad day. We just gonna eat sandwich meat. I got tomatoes, lettuce, shredded lettuce, butter, bread, sausage, eggs, spaghetti sauce, because I'm gonna fix spaghetti this week. I got onions at home, juice, a little drink mix, sandwich meat, grits, my party wings, and flat bag. Got ground beef, turkey burgers, and noodles. So let's see how much I done spent, fam. Alright, my total came to $65.08. Okay, fam, y'all seen my total. Okay, y'all seen my total, fam. I went over about $15. Whew. That should last me for a week. I'm gonna have to get creative with the wings though. So we're gonna have barbecue, fried, baked, broiled, all kind. So that's a pretty big bag, but they small wings, and that's what I like. So I hope y'all enjoy the little shopping vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and share down below. And until our next video, I pray y'all have a blessed and wonderful day.